There's times when we have assemblies or subassemblies that we would like to have as a single part and not carry the load of the assembly, or maybe to hide intellectual properties of that assembly. Solid Edge makes this happen with one simple command. Here we have a subassembly that we want to turn into a part. This assembly has different display configurations which will come into play later. Let's take a look at this main drive configuration. These are the components of the assembly I want to turn into one single part. By turning this cover off, you can see we have a void in this part. This void could have intellectual properties that we need to remove, and this can be done in the same step as turning this assembly into a part. Using this part model template, we can create a part copy of the assembly. Remember the configurations? Here we can select the one that we want to use. If we look in the Pathfinder, we can see that this has created 3 different design bodies. One of the cool options is to turn this into a single design body, and we can do this by merging non-manifold bodies. Another option is to remove any of the voids in the assembly, so let's check that option. Wow, that's easy. That's all you have to do. Remember the void and the option to remove voids? If we create a clipping plane in this part file, the clipping plane allows us to see inside the part to verify we have no voids, but a solid part, and check out the Pathfinder. Our 3 bodies are now only 1 body. Turning your assemblies into a single part model is quick and easy with Solid Edge, helping to improve overall assembly performance, making bills of material easier to manage, and keeping our company's intellectual property safe.